Saina Nehwal will be playing a lower-ranked Taiwanese Chia Sin Lee in the first round of India Open Super Series on Wednesday. Ahead of her game, NNI is caught with the former world number one on her expectations from the tournament, whether she would be able to reach the same height post her knee surgery and her latest rivalry with compatriot PV Sindhu.
The expectations are always high in every tournament. It's not about only India Open, but I'm very happy for India, and I'm happy that such big tournaments are happening in India now in badminton. And would like to congratulate BI for really, getting these tournaments in India, so that the young kids also can learn from the top athletes who are playing here. So yeah, it's definitely a pressure situation for all of us, but really. Can't take every tournament in that mode and play play with that pressure. It has to be like just give your best, and there's so many tournaments in the future to really look forward to. If you don't perform well, then look forward to the next one. So it's just about giving your best in each and every tournament, and not to think about too much of pressure or too much of about anything. It just have to be that you have to think about your matches, whom you're playing, and be ready for the matches, and just give your best in every tournament. No, it's not like that. It's just that I wanted to see how my knee reacts. I can't just push myself and spoil my knee more. I just wanted to be more fitter, and then playing tournaments makes sense. I just can't keep playing tournaments, and if I'm not fit, so I just wanted to be more fitter and play the tournaments, and then of course the match confidence, and it takes a little bit more time. So yeah, it'll only come with the matches. See, I can't. As I said, I can't predict anything, but anything can happen when it had happened. So let's see. Nothing worries me. Otherwise, I wouldn't have played so so much, and I wouldn't have become world number one. Becoming world number one was itself a very challenging thing for me. Winning so many titles was itself a very challenging point for me. So there's so many tournaments in a year to think about that. About one particular player. There's so many players in the group as of now, 15, 20 top players who are playing really well. So I said the competition is really going very, very high, and it's just that you need to be lucky one to win the tournament. So I just want to be that one.